Let's do this right now. Tomorrow jams. And don't forget to subscribe.
$4K couldn't have come at a better time, and I thank you all so much for supporting the channel for this long. You guys are all legends. Me and Helen went out to Manchester to celebrate, and the 4K celebratory skit is going to come out very, very soon. But seriously, from the bottom of my heart, getting to this milestone so quickly after only last year being at 1,700 was crazy. So to get to 4K now is amazing. We hit it well in time for our deadline, and I can't thank you all enough. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join us for a fun celebration. Peace. Welcome to the Premier Inn in Manchester. We come here because we are celebrating with all of you amazing people our wonderful 4K milestone. So I want to thank you all for the 4K. It was a big ask to hit that before the 1st of July, but you amazing people all managed to band together and rally the troops to get it done. And we are celebrating a nice little evening and afternoon in Manchester. And the last time we stayed over in Manchester was our sixth form prom, I think it was. So that was a while ago now, a long time ago. And 4K is a milestone that does not come around often. So we wanted to make the most of it. So we've booked in a lovely little area of Manchester. It is in one of their Premier Inn hotels, and this is a different Premier Inn to the one we've been to before, so that's cool. We've got an awesome view. You don't get to pick the rooms, and this is the very first time me and Helen have stayed somewhere like during COVID, so that's kind of cool as well. And yeah, it's really good. It's a really good little room, and for only £35 for the night, it's an absolutely unbeatable bargain. So I highly recommend it. If you have a loved one, or if you have somebody you'd like to come and spend a bit of quality time with, either wining and dining or celebrating, or you just wanted a nice little trip for yourselves during COVID times, because everyone feels a bit cooped up sometimes, it's nice to get out and have a bit of enjoyment. Sightsee, visit things, go watch some shows. We went and watched Fast and Furious, and then we're gonna have a little shop around the Arndale. Helen got some cool clothes. She got some cool stuff, and we're gonna find somewhere to eat for tea tonight. But yeah, this is not like the 4K sketch. Normally we do like sketches when we come up to big milestones. So me and Helen will brainstorm some things together, and we will have a little think about what we can do for our 4K special. But you can see Helen in the mirror. But it has been a really cool milestone to get, and I asked you guys, can we get it before the 1st of July? And you came in clutch and secured the 4K milestone, which is crazy because we were at 1,700 this time last year, so you've really come in clutch and done some awesome stuff. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me, and this is just a nice little celebratory video to say thank you to all of you who came along to support us, and we're going to do something cool for the 4K sketch. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy whatever other clips we put in this video. Peace. We're going to the bar. We're going to the bar. We're going to the bar. Going getting drinks. Oh. Terrific.
We've been out for drinks. We've been out for drinks.
Wow. Good morning, Manchester. Hello, you sexy devil. How cool is this? It's not every day you get to wake up in a beautiful view like this. Wow, it's pretty cool. Wow. Wow. It's very nice. I definitely love it. I love it. I love waking up having this awesome view out of your hotel window. Amazing. It's been a very good celebratory trip, and me and Helen are going to workshop some cool ways to do our 4K video, because obviously this is just like an update video telling you all that we got 4K thanks to you amazing legends doing your hard work across the globe. And I do need to find a cool way of having a collective, because I don't want to keep saying guys and girls and everybody. You know, everybody is everybody, but I want a cool term to call you all. My little originals, maybe, I don't know. I have to come up with some stuff. But we're gonna go and have our breakfast because it was included in our stay. So that's what we're going to do. Everywhere's all kind of done up nice. But the Premier Inn in Manchester, 10 out of 10. Amazing. And I've had a shower and I'm off for breakfast. Yes!
Stop it.
Switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with. What does perfect even mean?